Hello. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mitali, and I am pretty sure some of you guys are returning to my channel. So welcome back. And for the ones who are watching me for the first time, welcome. Well, I already have a YouTube channel and I used to do rap videos, but then COVID hit and I didn't have any means to record my videos or do any more rap songs. And then I decided to fly country. So yeah, here I am. Well, I'm really glad that you're watching me today, and I have so much to share with you guys. Well, what I'm gonna do is in some of my videos I'm gonna share my personal experiences in terms of everything. Well, changing countries, or like flying to a different country from your home country, can seem difficult. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys are considering that. You might have a lot of fears regarding how would you do everything by yourself, and especially if you are from India. Well, our parents don't let us do a lot of things by ourselves, and when we have to come to a different country for education or job, or if you get married, and it's a cultural shock. But here I am, and I am so excited about this, you guys. So as the title says, I'm going to help you guys with some of the tips about how to make new friends, especially if you are moving countries, or if you are shifting somewhere totally different and you have no idea about how to make friends. Well, it is left up to you how you want to make friends, where you want to go and find your friends. A lot of people use apps. A lot of people would like to go out there. If you study at the university, you would want to go and talk to the communities out there, or make friends just randomly. Well, it is your wish. Wherever you want to make friends, you make friends. But how do you know if the friends that you're making are the right people for you? Well, I had my experiences, and according to that, I'm going to share a couple of tips. Do subscribe to my channel if you find this helpful, and don't forget to hit the like button. So the first tip would be with people who align with your values. Now, I'm not going to define what values should look like, because definitely I understand that values mean different things to different people. So you need to make sure that you understand yourself better. You need to know what are your core beliefs, your values. Trust me, you guys, no matter how much you want to make friends, if your friends do not align with your values, then it's gonna be a difficult task to be around them for a long time. Now, it is totally different if your purpose for making friends is just going out and partying, and not having personal talks, or not having any personal connection with them. It totally depends on that. But if you're looking for real friendships, find people who align with your values, because I feel that for me, it has been the topmost priority, where if someone does not align with my values, I would just maybe not feel comfortable with them. When you understand that someone's values are not matching with yours, I'm not saying they're the wrong people or you are the wrong person, but I am saying that maybe they might be friends with someone who has same values as them, or maybe there are other people out there who share the same values as you, and conversations might get easier with those people. So yes, make sure that they align with your values, or their values align with yours, and that will be a really easy thing to look at when you make a friend. Tip number 2, do not find friends out of loneliness. I understand you are going to a different country, and or you might go to a different town and you might find yourself being lonely, because especially if you're coming from a country like India, then we are around our family, around our friends most of the time, unless you lived by yourself before. But if you are moving from a place where you've lived with your family or been around a lot of, you know, family members, and then you just go move out and find yourself just being by yourself, I understand it might be a bit frustrating, it might get a bit difficult, but hang on there. If you try to find friends out of loneliness, it's not gonna work. Maybe you find friends which are the right friends, considering everything that aligns with you. But if you are trying to make friends out of loneliness, it just sounds transactional. It is nothing which sounds like a real connection, or it is nothing that it sounds like, oh, you know, I really get along with this person, so let me see where it goes. No, you're just trying to have a transactional relationship with someone, and most of the times it does not work out right. So also, it might be the case that, you know, you might find yourself being around wrong people, or not being around people with the same interests as you, because you're just trying to find company and you are not just making friends for actually making friends. So we come to our tip number 3. Well, big on respect. So do not find friends who do not respect you, respect your boundaries, because I have done a lot of these mistakes before, and I've learned out of it, and that's the only reason I'm trying to tell you guys that respect, it's give and take. But obviously I would not respect someone because I expect respect out of them. I'm just not a person who would disrespect someone unless there's something really, really wrong that they have done to me. I am not that person who really believes in behaving that way to people. I leave it up to karma. It's like, you're doing wrong to me, you have a problem with me, it is your problem. If I have a problem with someone or something, I know that I would reflect on it, and I would definitely look out for why I'm getting affected by that. But at the same time, I am huge on respect, is because if someone disrespects me, I won't be able to reciprocate respect, and then I feel that that kind of a relationship is just a chaotic relationship, wherein it could be your friends or it could be people you're meeting for the first time. But if they are not showing you any kind of respect, or if they are disrespecting you in any manner, then it's their problem, and it's the person that they are, and you do not want such energy in your life. Trust me, you guys, look out for respect. Tip number 4. Look out for how these new people you're meeting or calling your friends are talking about other people in their life. Well, I understand you can go with the flow at the moment where they are talking really bad about someone they know, or you know, or your mutual friends. But if you go home and if you are by yourself and you self-reflect, you might find yourself thinking, oh my gosh, I literally know this person, and I know that that person is not like that, but this person is talking in a manner that's you feel that that doesn't fit their personality or whatsoever. I just feel that if someone has a problem with someone, it's better to go out there and talk to their face, because that's gonna solve your problems and not complicate it. But at the same time, if you are making these new friends and if they are talking badly about someone you know or someone you don't know, well, what are the odds they're not talking about you to these people? See, I honestly do not care if someone talks about me or not. It's their opinion about me, and it's not in my control, and I don't want to control of it. But if someone's talking bad to me about someone else, and yet being friends with them on their face, showing as if nothing happened, that is a fake situation. I do not want to be with such people or call them my friends. If it suits you, you do you. But I feel that these are the people I would look out for, because one instance and they're not gonna, consider not talking about you. The last and fifth tip would be stay away from people who have toxic traits. Now, I'm not saying that they are being toxic deliberately. They might or might not, but there are some people who unknowingly carry some traits from their past relationships or their past friendships, and they don't even know they're just carrying that in their future relationships or friendships. So you want to look out for that, because you guys, a person can change. We as people, or we as humans, learn new things every day. We evolve every day, is what I feel. But toxic traits or basic traits are something which are a part of a person. You cannot do much about it if you've been carrying that for years, or if that's how you look at being friends with people, or that's how you look at the situations. Oh, this is how I've dealt with this situation in the past, so this is how I'm gonna deal with this person. So I'm not saying that there might be people out there who are deliberately trying to bring their toxic traits into friendships, but there are some people who are not aware. It is not wrong to be that person, but if you can self-analyze it and self-reflect on it, then you can definitely work on those traits and have better relationships. So here we come to the end of my video today. Let me know in the comment section, what do you feel about this? Do you want me to do more such videos? And if yes, do write it in the comment section. I'm going to tag my Instagram, and well, I'm really excited for this journey with you guys, and please let me know what you feel about it. If you have any constructive criticism, do go ahead and mention that. I would love to improve myself and help you guys with the experiences that I've had in the past. So thank you for watching me, if you watched it till the end, and see you until next time.